He's wanted by many clubs across Europe, but the exciting Leon Bailey is yet to decide his next move. Bailey arrived home earlier this evening as the German Bundesliga takes a winter break.
Leon Bailey is one of the most sought-after young players in Europe at the moment. The Bayer Leverkusen winger is on the shopping list of most clubs, but the 20-year-old is the first to tell you he wasn't expecting to make the headlines so early in his career.
No, actually, I never had thought about that, but I mean, we all had a dream since we were very young, and that dream stayed the same, and we're just always there for each other, working hard, and I think the outcome is showing now, maybe earlier than normal.
Among the clubs trying to sign Bailey is English Premier League champions Chelsea, a club he has been linked to since he was 15.
It's a dream for me to play in England since I was a very youngster, and for me at the moment I haven't really thought about where I'd want to play, but I mean, at the moment I'm just really focusing on now and see what happens in the future. Just have to keep up my performance, and once I'm doing well, there are also going to be a lot of other clubs banging on the door, and I think that's not so important for me. What's important for me is to be focused and let my manager, my dad and everybody else do the talking around that.
Chelsea's £22 million bid was recently rejected, while Barcelona is in hot pursuit. So will it be England or Spain?
Both of them are both good competitions, but I mean, my dream is always to be played in the English Premier League, but it doesn't mean that I'd choose England over Spain or Spain over England.
Meanwhile, manager and agent Craig Butler says it's all about the right fit.
Chelsea is an excellent club, and there are excellent clubs in England. Manchester United is also an excellent club, Manchester City. Barcelona is a beautiful club, and it's, you know, that's where Messi is, and I see options for Leon, and it's just a great feeling to know that we could have built a youngster from scratch to this level and to be able to represent our country and make everybody in Jamaica proud.
Bailey's back home for the Christmas, but will return to Germany in January, when it will be made clearer if his career lies elsewhere in Europe. Spencer Darlington, TVJ Sports.